tuning into my channel. Today I'm talking about Scentbird. Maybe you've heard about them through social media or maybe one of your girlfriends. Today I'm doing a Q&A. I'm actually asking myself questions and answering myself. So hopefully you will find it funny and helpful at the same time. Make sure you watch to the very end for a special discount code. Here we go. Oh, it's a gift service. That's stingy stuff like, like flowers and candy, chocolate, stuff like that. It is a subscription service, but it's a way to discover a new fragrance every month. Every 30 days, they send you a new perfume. With your first order, you get this cute little reusable case, just like that. And inside is the perfume that you get. So you just pop it up just like that. Oh, I think it's like $25 a week or something like that. It's $14.95 a month, and you get a 30-day supply of any designer fragrance that you choose. It's only like 5 sprays per bottle. It's actually about 140 sprays per bottle. So that means that you get at least 4 sprays every day. I heard they don't have that many to choose from, like 20. There are actually over 450 designer fragrances to choose from. You don't even know what you're getting. They're just going to send you what they want to send you. It's probably not even a designer fragrance. You have no idea what you're getting. As a subscriber, you have full control of what you receive each month. You can go online and add to your queue whatever fragrances you want. So you pick the fragrances you want to receive every month. Oh yeah, I heard there's always extra fees, shipping, handling, all this kind of stuff, putting your stuff in the box, all kinds of fees. Actually, with your Scentbird subscription, there's no shipping and no handling fees. Once you subscribe, you're hooked. They got you. You can't change your mind. You're locked in for life. You can cancel your subscription anytime. You can even skip a month. I don't think you can give it as a gift. I mean, what are you going to do? You sign up and then you mail it to your mom or you mail it to your sister. I don't think you can give it as a gift. You can absolutely send it as a gift. Scentbird offers gift subscriptions, 3, 6, and 12-month subscriptions. Great for Mother's Day. I guess there's no reason why I'm waiting. Where do I sign up? Scentbird is offering 25% off by just clicking the link below in my description box. I hope you enjoyed my fun Q&A. I hope it was helpful. I hope it made you laugh. Until next time, thanks for watching.